Guys, this is such a simple trick that makes so much of a difference. Alright, what's up you guys? My name is Dominic, and today we're talking about this one thing that I don't even know why I haven't even thought about that earlier, to be honest. Because it's such a simple thing, but you know, we're gonna talk about it. So long story short, I found out the way to maximize your Instagram story viewers and thus, you know, followers resulting from that. Because a lot of guys still ask me, you know, do you have some techniques for me to gain followers with my account? Because I don't know where to begin, And you know, this, my friends, it's just one of those methods, and it's a secret one. So first things first, of course, I feel like I say this every time I post a video, but you know, content is still king. Content is key. And you know, the most important thing is content. And if you have shitty content, you know, it's not gonna work, I tell you for sure. So this of course translates into your stories, because if you have some cool ass story content, if you push the game, if you got some interesting things, if you got some things that, you know, people like to see, some pictures, you know, whatever you want to put on your story. And you know, while I made this other video, which I will link somewhere on one of those corners, is how to actually create this cool content for your stories. In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive those people to your videos so that they in return will stick with your account. So they will see your cool content and they will think, man, you know, I just wanna follow this guy, and you know, this is basically what we're in for. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Dominic, and I post Instagram tutorials, social media marketing stuff, you know, all the business side of things. And you know, if you want more of these videos, please just, you know, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, because you never know when I might post again. And of course, give me a like. So let me just hop into my phone and show you this, you know, simple trick, which is actually a lot simpler than you might think. And you know, quite honestly, now I'm just trying to make this video a little bit longer because I feel like it's really short. So here you go. So what you want to do is you want to prepare a list of, you know, a couple of hashtags that are relevant to you, relevant to your niche, relevant to, you know, whatever point you want to get across. Type in your hashtags in your phone. Ideally, that would be about 5 to 25 hashtags. You know, you really can't say a number because I feel like Instagram's changing up their hashtag game daily as of now, and you know, it pretty much doesn't even make sense. You gotta, you know, try different stuff every day, pretty much, because. So you take your hashtags, copy them into your clipboard, and you just hit up your app, Instagram. So within your app, you put up your story, and basically you just paste your hashtags in your video or picture, or, you know, whatever your story is. And now comes the part everyone will think, oh man, why didn't I even think about this? This seems so easy. This seems so... Here's the thing. You simply take this whole wall of text and you pinch it. And you pinch it and you make it smaller and smaller and smaller, and things, you know, seem to disappear. But here's the thing, they don't disappear, they are still there, and you know what this means. Right, so with a little bit of luck, you might rank for all these hashtags that you might put in, and you know, things will just start to happen. Right, so the secret's out. You know, go ahead, paste your hashtags in your stories. Do the same thing with the location tab, you know, pinch it, make it smaller, make it disappear, but it's still there. And you know, abuse the system, because you know, eventually they will catch up. And they will. By the way, for this whole thing to work actually, is to hit that subscribe button below and give me a like. And you know, maybe comment down below if you have some suggestions or whatever. Thanks, by the way, for 1,000 subscribers, and I don't even know what to say. We've just been 7 people, remember that? So thanks for that, and you know, I will try my best to keep creating videos like that. So thanks for that. I will do my best to keep that up, and you know, I will keep making these videos, and it's been a pleasure. Bye bye. My name is Dominic.